What is going on, everyone? MikeO back doing another box break. Today I'm be breaking my second box of 2023 Top Stadium Club Baseball. This is a compact box which includes 8 packs per box, 8 cards per pack, a total of 64 cards, and you do get one autograph card in every box. So hopefully hit a big one. We'll see. The autographs are definitely pretty tough. To me, this is the type of product you open and you enjoy because you love the sport of baseball and you love the images, putting together sets and such. It's a very base-heavy set. There are inserts. I feel like the inserts are rarely as nice as the base cards, and then the autographs are generally pretty tough. Not that there aren't really cool autographs you can hit. It is just going to be very difficult. It's a big autograph checklist, and, it's going to be dominated by rookies and not necessarily the big, top 5 rookies or anything. So let's get into this. Ronald Acuna is our cover boy. Let's see what we got here. All right, pack number 1. We got Eddie Murray. Cool card there, Eddie Murray. Joey Meneses. Carlton Fisk. Got a Riley Green Chrome Refractor parallel. So, Chrome Refractor of Riley Green. Talented rookie of the Detroit Tigers. Got a Spencer Steer. Nestor Cortez. Willie Stargell, man, that Willie Stargell is sweet. And Cade Cavilli. Color parallels aren't like crazy collectible in this product. I mean, they don't stand out the way other cards do. There's a cool Fernando Tatis. We got George Springer. There's a Kyle Schwarber velocity insert. Kevin Gossman. Dwight Gooden. Awesome Dwight Gooden. Lou Bob. Miguel Cabrera. And Willie Adames. Reed Detmers. Garrett Cole. Autograph is Rosario from the Padres. So not a huge auto. Got a Derek Jeter red parallel. Torrey Hunter. Cool Torrey Hunter card there. Corbin Carroll rookie. Joe Morgan. And Alec Burleson. Get through this one. We'll be halfway through. Already got our big hit of the box. Probably got our best parallel, too, with the refractor. You can get color refractors and such, but it's tough. Stephen Kwan, Dansby Swanson. Nico Horner, numbered to 75. That is a purple. World champion Marcus Semien. Brooks Robinson. Willie Mays. Luis Ortiz. Spencer Torkelson. See what the second half of the box has in store. Kyle Schwarber. Great looking card. That is in the NLCS in 2022. Game 1 when he smoked like a 450-foot home run off Yu Darvish. Love that image. Christian Yelich. Nolan Arenado red. We got Justin Verlander. We got former Philly Rhys Hoskins, now a Milwaukee Brewer. It's a Bat Slam. NLDS. Game 3 in 2022 against the Braves. And usually you see as he's got the bat in his hand, that's after he threw it down. There's Albert Pujols, Jeff Bagwell, and Yadi Molina. All right, a few more packs remain. Hensley, rookie. Jake McCarthy, We got an Austin Riley Chief Fantasy insert. VR from San Francisco. Randy Johnson. Greg Maddux. Andrew Benintendi. Cool Dontrell Willis card. Christopher Morel rookie. So Bryson Stott celebrating after a big win. DL Hall, black parallel. Cody Senga rookie. Keith Hernandez, that's a cool Keith Hernandez. Corey Seager, Tom Glavine, Logan Webb. All right, one final pack. All right, we got Riley Green, Edgar Martinez. We got a Mookie Betts, Going Yard insert. Randy Arozarena, George Brett, Ken Griffey Jr., Will Brennan, and Robin Yount. So that is a compact box of 2023 Top Stadium Club, stack of base, beautiful looking images, great looking cards. Color parallels, we got DL Hall, Arenado, Nico Horner, Derek Jeter. Refractor of Riley Green, which unfortunately, as I shine it in the light, you can see an indentation, so that's obviously disappointing. And then inserts of Mookie Betts, Austin Riley, autograph is Rosario from San Diego, and a velocity insert of Kyle Schwarber. So not the greatest box, but still a fun break. Beautiful looking product. Definitely a collector's type of product. It's not going to be huge for the super high-end hit seekers or the investors, but collectors, baseball fans, I would think would enjoy the heck out of this product. Comment below, let me know what you think, and I will talk to you next time. Have a great one.